Well, it's been 4 days since laying this tile. The mortar should be thoroughly dry. Now's a good time to grout the tiles. I'm using Fusion Pro single component grout. It has sealer in it, so no sealing afterwards is required. I'm using a darker color, sort of a tan. I prefer darker grout over lighter. These are the tools I'm using to apply the grout. Rubber gloves, a trowel with a straight edge or a float, a small putty knife to get some of the tight areas, of course the Fusion Pro grout, a bucket of fresh water, and a sponge to wipe off the excess grout. Let's get started. I'm going to use this leaf blower to blow out any dust from construction or pollen that may be in the separations of the tile. I'm going to clean off the surface of the tile with some water, sponge, and a little bit of dish soap in here. Okay, we'll give it a start up at the top. A little bit of moisture on top. I'm going to mix it in a little bit, but it seems pretty consistent. Only 4 or 5 minutes at a time, especially if it's warm, and I would count this as being a little warm. So do one crack at a time, I think. It says leave it just level to the top. I think it will probably recess a little bit on its own. I'm seeing little areas of color from where the grout was sitting for a bit. Important to keep that, wipe that off as soon as possible. I can see a couple areas where that grout is still on the tile's surface. I'm going to have to get that special cleaner. Boy, it sticks quickly. Yep, get it up. Okay, I can see it now. Now I know what I'm working with. Okay, I kind of messed up this gap here. I think I need to do it again, if it will allow. You're supposed to get it done within 3 to 5 minutes, but I could see part of it sinking in where I pressed my finger accidentally. And it's not acceptable. That looks better. That fixed it, I think. Finding I got to get it off the edge of the porcelain as quick as possible, or it starts to discolor it and You have to scrub at it to get it off. Probably would have been better to do this when it's not windy or sunny. Well, my grouting work is not perfect, but I'm satisfied with it. I had to race with time for a while and clean it up as it was leaving streaks on the porcelain tile. But now that I'm finished, I think it turned out pretty good.